Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Landari, Informatic Engineering Study Program in Islamic University of Madura. Today, in material is a definition of analytical exposition, purpose of analytical exposition, structure of analytical exposition, example and exercise of analytical exposition. Next, group members, the first Fikri Landari, Mundin Firza Safitri, and Toibah Novianti. And I will present about a definition of analytical exposition and purpose of analytical exposition. Okay, A. Definition of analytical exposition. What do you think about a definition of analytical exposition? Definition of analytical exposition is a type of text designed to persuade the reader by presenting arguments supported by evidence and logical reasoning. So, analytical exposition is commonly used in academic writing, journalism, and public speaking to explain and analyze a particular issue, idea, or phenomenon. According to experts, the first, according Alpha 2020, state analytical exposition text is a text which discusses about something that happened in society. And number two, according March et al. 2021, the state can take the form of essay, textbook, or manual and content description, definition, ideas, and explanation that are structured and supported by argument. Okay, next. Purpose of analytical exposition. The purpose of an analytical exposition is to present a well-reasoned argument on a specific topic in order to persuade the reader to adopt particular viewpoint or to understand an issue more deeply. Purpose of analytical exposition: the first, to persuade; number two, to inform; number three, to analyze; number four, to evaluate; and number five, to clarify. The first, to persuade. The primary goal is to convince the reader of the validity of the writer's position. By presenting logical argument and supporting evidence, the writer aims to persuade the reader to agree with their thesis. And next, number two, to inform. To inform, an analytical exposition or service to inform the reader about a specific issue, idea, or phenomenon. It provides detailed explanation, fact, and example to enhance the reader's understanding of the topic. And number three, to analyze. To analyze, the text breaks down complex areas or issue into small parts, examining each part in detail. This helps in presenting a thorough analysis that supports the overall argument. And next, number four, to evaluate. To evaluate an analytical exposition of the evaluate different aspects of an issue, comparing various viewpoint or assessing the impact of certain action or policy. This evaluation helps in building a strong case for the written position. And last, number five, to clarify. To clarify the expression and to clarify misunderstanding or misconception about a topic by presenting clear and logical arguments supported by evidence. I say thank you and I leave it to my friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I will be introduce myself. My name is Nadine Fidel Havitri from the Program of Study in Informatic Engineering at the Islamic University of Madura. In here, I will be explain the part of analytical exposition about generic structure of analytical exposition and example about analytical exposition. First, I will be explain any generic structure of analytical exposition. There are three main points in the generic structure of analytical exposition, like introduction, body, and conclusion. In the introduction point, there are two contexts, like a thesis statement and preview of argument. In thesis statement, a clear statement of the writer's position or point of view on the topic. And context 2, a preview of argument, like a brief overview of the main arguments that will be discussed in the body. Next, there is the body in the next point of the general structure in analytical exposition. In the body, in each argument, there are three contents. Overall, in each argument, there are three contents. These contents include topic sentence, evidence and example, and explanation. And the next point, in generic structure of analytical exposition, there is conclusion. Three content in conclusion, like a restate thesis, summary of argument, and closing statement. Restate thesis reaffirms the writer's position in light of the argument and presented. In summary of argument, briefly summary the main point discussed in the body, and the closing statement is over a final thought or to action, leaving a lasting impression of the reader. And next, I will be explain the example about analytical exposition text. Example of analytical exposition text: the introduction. The rapid advancement of technological has revolutionized education across the world. The rise of online learning offers numerous benefits for college students, including flexibility, accessibility, and the opportunity to develop essential digital skills. In example of analytical exposition text, there are three arguments in the topic. The argument 1 in example of analytical exposition text explain about flexibility in the benefit of online learning for college students. In the argument 2, explain about accessibility about online learning. As argument, explain about development of digital skill in the online learning. Conclusion in example of analytical exposition text is in conclusion, online learning offers significant benefit for college students, include flexibility, accessibility, and development of digital skill.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Soiba Novianti. I will present here about exercise of analytical exposition text. Exercise of analytical exposition text. The first, write the following text comprehensively. The benefits of bicycle exercise. Bicycle exercise of often thought as a cornerstone of the healthy lifestyle. Regular bicycle activity is essential not only for maintaining bicycle fitness but also for improving mental health and overall well-being. The benefits of bicycle exercise include enhanced bicycle health, improved mental health, and increased social interaction. Enhanced bicycle health. Regular bicycle exercise contributes significantly to overall bicycle health. Engaging in activities such as running, swimming, or weightlifting can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles and bones, and help maintain a healthy weight. For example, a study by the American Heart Association found the individuals who engage in moderate to vigorous physical activity have a lower risk of developing heart disease and stroke. Improved mental health exercise health profound effects on mental health. Physical activity can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Improve mood and both self-esteem. The release of endorphin during exercise is often cited as a natural way to enhance mood and reduce stress. For instance, research published in the journal Psychiatry indicate that regular exercise can be as effective as medication for some people with depression. Increased social interaction, participating in group exercises of sport can increase social interaction and build a sense of community. Physical activities such as team sport, fitness class, or group hikes provide opportunities for individuals to connect with others, fostering social bonds and reducing feeling of loneliness. According to a survey by the National Institute on Aging, older adults who engage in social physical activities report higher levels of happiness and well-being. In conclusion, physical exercise offers a wide array of benefits that contribute to overall health and well-being. From enhancing physical health and improving mental health to accessing social interaction, the positive impact to regular physical activity are undeniable. By incorporating exercise to daily routines, individuals can live healthier, happier, and more connected lives. Number 2, reading comprehension exercise. Exercise 1. Identifying the thesis. What is the thesis statement of the exposition? B. Where is the thesis statement located? Exercise 2. Understanding the arguments. List the three main arguments presented in the body of the text. B. For each argument, provide one piece of evidence or example was to support it. Exercise 3. Evaluation evidence. How does the evidence about cardiovascular health support the physical health arguments? B. Why is the example of endorphin important in the context of the mental health argument? Exercise 4. Interpreting the conclusion. A. Summarize the conclusion in your one word. B. What final suggestion does the writer make in the conclusion? Exercise 5. Critical thinking. A. Do you think the arguments presented and are convincing? Why or why not? B. Can you think of any potential counter argument to the point made in the exposition? C. Provide one counter argument and explain how it challenges on the text point. Number 3. Write an article of any analytical exposition text and decide the generic structure of the article. That's all my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.